Hello dear friends, subscribers and guests of my channel. In this video I want to show and tell you how to unfriend someone on Snapchat. This is very simple way. Please put your like, subscribe to my channel and share this video with your friends. Let's get started. First we need to go to Snapchat. After that you need to go to our account. And here you need to scroll down and click on avatar of our friend. And after that you need to hold his name. And here you can click manage friendship. And after that you can click remove friend. And that's all. If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, please put your like, subscribe to my channel and share this video with your friends. Bye bye everyone, see you later.